all the software development, software design, software architectures are carried out with the help of computer system. He invented a computer system to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operations. Because of computer system, we are going to face the problem like unemployment. Hello to all, a warm welcome to my new session. I am Revati, faculty, Department of Computer Science, Vidhyaashram, Free University College, Mysore. In today's session, I am going to deal with the importance of computers in professional life. So, why we require computer system in our professional life? So, the computer system plays very important role in our daily day-to-day life. In that, when we talk about professional life, then it includes the areas like research, then it includes the areas like banking, then it includes the areas like entertainment, then it includes the areas like IT. Suppose if I consider the area like research field, then we require computer system. In the field of research, the computer system plays a major role. That means it allows the research scholars to search their related data, and it allows the research scholar to calculate all the data, process all the data and store the data in the computer system. At the same time, it allows the research scholar to document the data and present the data. So here the computer system plays very important role in the field of research. Then we are going to have banking. Nowadays everything is modernized and computerized. So in the place of banking, the computer system plays very important role. So here all the day-to-day transactions are carried out by using computer system. By using computer system, all the banking systems are made online. So here we are going to have online banking so that the customer can perform their own transaction. Then we are going to have entertainment. In the field of entertainment, the computer system plays very important role. So when it comes entertainment, then the computers are mainly used to listen the music, watch the movies, watch the serials. At the same time, by using computer system, you can able to make your own videos, you can able to edit the videos, you can able to edit the audios, you can able to create your own music files, etc. So here the computer system plays very major role in the field of entertainment. Then we are going to have IT industry or IT sector. So when it comes to IT industry or IT sector, the computer system plays major role. That means all the software development, software design, software architectures are carried out with the help of computer system. So it is also used for testing purpose. It is also used for debugging purpose. So the computer system plays very major role in the field of IT sector. Then we are going to have education. So here the computer system plays very major role in the field of education. That means nowadays the education systems are become online education. Because of pandemic, we are going to follow the online education system. With the help of computer system, the online education is become very easier and very attractive. At the same time, because of computer system, distance educations are become more effective and more attractive. So these are the some of the importance of computers in our professional life. So suppose if I am a teacher or a lecturer, I require computer system in order to make the documentation and in order to give the presentation. At the same time, I required computer system to run my lab program. So this is the one of the best example for the importance of computers in professional life. Moving further, we are going to have the computer development historic lifetime. That means till now what we discussed, it is all about the computer and computer system. So here I'm going to start from the scratch. That means what are the developments are carried out in the field of computer science. In that first one, we are going to have abacus. So what is abacus here? Here abacus is nothing but a calculating machine. So here abacus comes with the rods as well as beads, and it is mainly used for the purpose of computation, and it is invented by the Babylonians in the year that is 2400 BC. Till nowadays, we are going to use the abacus in order to teach and train young kids, and it is invented in the year 2400 BC. Then we are going to have John's Napier. It is a invention in the field of computer system, and it includes rods, and it is mainly based on the logarithms, and it is used to perform the operations like multiplication as well as division, and it is also possible to perform squares as well as cubes of the roots, and these systems are invented in the year 1614. Then we are going to have the Blaise Pascal. So here the Blaise Pascal invented a Pascal line. It is mainly used to perform addition operations. So it is a mechanical machine, and it is mainly invented for adding, and it is invented in the year 1642. Then we are going to have Gottfried Leibniz. So here the Gottfried Leibniz is also called father of calculation. That means he invented a computer system to perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division operation. Then we are going to have Charles Babbage. So here the Charles Babbage is also called the father of computer system, and he is a first mechanical computer. That means he invented first mechanical computer, and it is called analytical engine, and the Charles Babbage is called the father of computer system. Then we are going to have Hermann Hollerith. So he invented a counting machine that is mainly based on the increment mechanical counters, and he started tabulating machine company, and it is later named as IBM. So the founder of IBM is nothing but the Herman Hollerith. Then we are going to have Alan Turing. He developed the concept of theoretical computing machine and it is in the year 1937. Then we are going to have Howard, then Grace Hopper, and they developed Mark series, and these are the example for first generation computer system. Then we are going to have ENIAC. So here it is electronic numerical integrator and computer. So this is the first generation of computer system, and at the same time we are going to have computer bugs. That means the term computer bug is first introduced by the Grace Hopper, and the Grace Hopper and John are the two persons. They invented ENIAC computer system, and this is the best example for first generation computer system, and it is invented in the year 1945. Then we are going to have Williams. That means he developed a cathode ray tube for storing device and random access memory. That means here the F.C. Williams, he introduced cathode ray tube for computer system, at the same time random access memory, and it is in the year 1946. Then we are going to have William Shockley. He invented transistors at Bell Labs. Then we are going to have Douglas. He invented computing with keyboards and screen display. That means the keyboards and the screen displays are invented by Douglas, and it is in the year 1947. Then we are going to have UNIVAC. That is, it is also an example for first generation computer system, that is Universal Automatic Computer 1 is introduced, and this is the first commercial computer system. And at the same time we are going to have EDVAC. That means electronic discrete variable automatic computers, and it is mainly used to perform the basic task. So here the ENIAC is mainly based on the binary, whereas EDVAC is mainly based on the decimal numbers, and it is invented in the year 1951. Then we are going to have Fortran language, and it is invented by the John Backus and IBM. So this is the first programming language. This is the first high level programming language, and it is called Fortran, and it is invented in the year 1954. Then we are going to have the first transistor computer, and it is invented at Bell Labs, and it is invented in the year 1955. Then we are going to have another high level programming language, that is called COBOL, that is Common Business Oriented Language. So it is a programming language, that means it is a high level programming language, and it is introduced in the year 1960. Then we are going to have ASCII standards, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, and it is came in the picture in the year 1963. Then we are going to have word process, that is developed by the IBM. So that is the first word processor. Then we are going to have BASIC, that is also a programming language, and it is came into the picture in the year 1964. Then we are going to have hypertext. So here the hypertext was introduced in the year 1965 and it is mainly for web development. Then in the year 1967 we are going to have floppy disk and it is invented by IBM. So this is the first floppy disk and it is invented in the year 1967. Then we are going to have RAM that is invented in the year 1970. So here RAM is nothing but random access memory. Then we are going to have emails and this is came in the year 1971. Then we are going to have CD, that is compact disc, and that is came into the picture in the year 1972. Then we are going to have personal computer, that is the first. So this is the first microcomputer and this is the example for personal computer and it is invented or developed in the year 1973. Then the SQL, that is structured query language, came into the picture in the year 1974 and which is developed by IBM developers. Then we are going to have portable computers and it is developed in the year 1975. Then we are going to have magnetic tape and this is the first magnetic tape developed in the US and it is developed in the year 1978. And this is the example for third generation computer system. So in the third generation, we are going to have magnetic tapes and it is invented in the year 1978. Then we are going to have World Wide Web and it is developed or it is came into the picture in the year 1991. Then we are going to have Java. So here Java is the best example for high-level programming language and it is invented in the year 1995. Then we are going to have Windows Vista and this is released in the year 2007. Then we are going to have Windows 7, that is the official release of Windows 7 is on 2009. So these are the some of the historical timelines of computer system. Then we are going to have Microsoft Windows 8 and that is released on the year 2012. Then we are going to have Windows 10 and it is introduced or released in the year 2014. Then we are going to have Windows 7 reached EOL, that is end of line and Microsoft release and it is released in the year 2020. So these are the very important or historical achievement of computers. These are the some of the historic timeline of computer development. So initially we started from Abacus and nowadays we are going to use Windows 7, that is end of life version. So these are the some of the achievements or development in the field of computers. Now we are going to have the characteristics of computer. So what are the important characteristics of computer? That is first one, speed. So what is speed? How to measure the speed? So suppose if I consider the example that is car, then how to measure the speed of the car? That is measured in terms of kilometer. Similar way, execution speed of the computer systems are measured in terms of number of bits or number of bytes. Then we are going to have accuracy. So what is accuracy? So computer system is accurate. That means the computer system provides accurate result or accurate output. That means whatever the output we are going to get from the computer system, that is accurate. If there is any mistake in the output, that is mainly based on the user input or user development, then we are going to have diligence. What is diligence? So if I consider human being, after working for longer time, the human being may get frustrated or the human being may feel tired. But in computer system, it is not like that. The computer system is capable to work for a longer duration. That means it may be a 1 day or 2 day or 3 day. Then we are going to have versatile. So what is versatile? That means it is a word we are going to use most frequently. That means we are going to use the word versatile actor. Same way in computer system, the computer is capable to perform versatile jobs or versatile tasks. Then we are going to have reliability. So the computer provides reliable output as well as it is very reliable to fix the or solve the errors. Then we are going to have consistency. That means whatever the output we are going to get from the computer system, that is consistent, and what are the executions are carried out by the computer system, that is consistency. Then we are going to have memory. So the best example for memory is human brain. Similar way, the computer system also have memory and all the data are reside inside the computer memory. Then we are going to have storage capacity. That means the computer system provides the storage facilities for the user data. So the storage may be a temporary or the storage may be a permanent. So here the computer system provides the storage capacity for the user. Then we are going to have remembrance power. That means suppose if I consider any human being, their remembrance power is very less. Suppose if I consider computer system, the computer system's IQ is high. That means the remembrance power is high. So no need to remember all the file names and all the data when it comes to computer system because they have remembrance power. And we are going to have automation. That means the computer system provides automatic output. So here the computer systems are automated. So these are the some of the characteristics of computer system. Then we are going to have the advantages and disadvantages of computer system. So what are the advantages we are going to have? Suppose if I use computer system, that is speed. So speed means what? That is nothing but the execution speed of the computer system. That means how fastly the computer system is going to execute the programs or data. That means how quickly the computer system is going to process the data. Then we are going to have accuracy. That means whatever the output we are going to get, that is accurate. If there is any mistake in your output, then it is based on the input or it is based on the program error. Then we are going to have multitasking. That means the computer system is capable to perform multiple tasks. That means while performing any one task, it is possible to perform another task. For example, think that I'm going to create one Word document. At the same time, I can able to listen the music. So I can parallelly perform both the activities. So here the computer system is called multitasking. Then we are going to have storage. That means the computer system provides the large storage space. So whatever the storage space we are going to have, that may be a permanent storage or that may be a temporary storage space. Then we are going to have data security. So what is data security? By using computer system, we can able to provide the security for our sensitive data. So when I say it is sensitive data, that includes confidential information like account number or your PAN number, etc. So suppose if I want to provide the security for my sensitive data, then I want to protect my data. So in computer system, we can also able to lock the computer system, and we can also able to use the some of the antivirus software in order to protect computer system from the virus and worms, and at the same time we are going to have the encryption and decryption in order to protect the data security. Then we are going to have automation. That means the computer is responsible for performing all the calculation automatic. Then we are going to have reduced cost. That means to buy computer system or any hardware related to the computer system, we require very less cost. And in business, that means nowadays most of the business organization, they are going to use the computer system for selling the goods. That means online business, and to keep all the documents in the computer system. So the computer system plays very important role in the field of business. Then we are going to have online education. That means nowadays all the educations are carried out through the online. So the computer system plays very major role in the field of online education. Then for online trading. So most of the people, they are going to have the habit that is trading. So nowadays online trading. So what they will do, they are going to invest the money through the online trading. So here the computer system plays a major role in the field of online trading. So these are the some of the advantages of computer system. That means suppose if I use the computer system, then what are the benefits I'm going to get here is speed, accuracy, multitasking, storage, data security, automation, reduced cost. Then I'm going to have business, online education and online trading. And what is the disadvantage of computer system? So because of computer system, we are going to face the problem like unemployment. Because by using computer system, most of the works are made so easy. So that is the main reason for unemployment. Then we are going to have health issue. That means suppose if I use computer system for a longer duration, I may get sight problem or I may get headache. So this is also the example for health issue. Then cyber criminals, that means by using computer system, the cyber criminals may hack your computer system. So this is also a best disadvantage of computer system. Then virus and hacking. That means by flooding virus or by hacking your computer system, the hacker may destroy your data or the hacker may theft your data for the financial benefit. And this is also the one of the main disadvantage of computer system. Then we are going to have improper use, environment and impact. These are the some of the disadvantages of computer system. So in today's session, we started from the use of computer systems in our professional life. Then we studied or discussed some of the historical achievement in the field of computer science. Then we discussed the characteristics of computer system. Then we discussed the advantages and disadvantages of computer system. In my next session, I'm going to meet with some other interesting topic in the field of computer system. Thank you for watching my session. Let's meet in the next session. Until then, take care. Thank you.